Hey guys, welcome to my humble abode. Just another update. Yeah, we don't have a lot of light in this space, but nonetheless, here we are. Giving you an update. You guys can see I have floors. I got floors. Yeah, we're in our final, the final stretch. Let me turn my camera on so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, we're in our final stretch. This is one of the bedrooms. It's not completely there. The floor is done, but we need to put the toe rails in it and so forth so that it can have the finished look. We still have to put the protectors over the outlets and stuff. They started, but they have not completed that. Yeah, so you can see again floor in this space. There we go again, floor in that space. Yes, y'all, it's beginning to look like home. Don't mind the trash can and the fan, they're still working, but there's floor in that space. We look here again, there is floor in this space. We'll go across. We got it there again, floor in this space. We're getting it ready for the gala because we got some people coming in. They've removed my staircase rail from here, but they'll add it back once they've completed the floor. My son's room still has some stuff in it, but there's floor in it. If you look, and we got all the work done, but they're doing some stuff in there. But yeah, here we got bathroom. We have a bathroom in here. So we have a shower and so forth. So yeah, y'all don't mind the mess. I'm just giving y'all an update. There's also floor in this one. This is where I'm at cleaning up everything, but there is floor in here as well, and of course some beds that we're gonna move, and the rail for the staircase is in there too. But nonetheless, the point is we got floor. All right, let me take y'all downstairs. I have to show you what's going on down there. Now, when I tell you the day off for us to get people in here, we're still heavy at work. Still heavy at work. You can put it back up, Yeah, use what you got. Use what you got. Everybody is here working. Everybody. And of course, we have electrical upstairs. I don't know what they're doing too, but it's coming together beautifully and nice. Hey guys, welcome to Tidra's Chateau. We're going into room number 7. Oh, my antique house with a modern flair. I want you guys to look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yeah, we come in and we see a good California king bed. You look, we have some pieces going on there. Of course, we have the black and white going on. We have some floral going on. There it is again. There's the cute bed with the 4 posts. Yes, Tidra's Chateau. Now we're gonna go over to number 8. And of course, they didn't do me justice, yeah? We're gonna go into number 8. Yes, yes, yes. When you walk in here again, vintage house with a modern flair. I want you guys to check out this room. Look at the bold colors. Yeah, black and white, and everybody bring their personality to the room. So yes, 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 here we are. Where is the princess for the room? That's her room. Yes, yes, yes.
There was a third bedroom, but I didn't get to record because I had to run to the airport. But take a look downstairs. Being unfinished doesn't disqualify your experience. That blew my mind yesterday when I was sharing and it came to me. But even an unfinished house still has a story to tell. You know, even if some rooms are still under construction, the space already holds meaning. So just like our lives, we don't need every part of it to be complete before our experience count. We are building, we are shaping, improving, and that's enough.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Love and blessings.